Damina konnichiwa, Edamus de gozaimasu. Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Ed here from the Edamus. Hope everything's going well. I just wanted to make a little quick video here, show the current conditions here in good old Detroit. Technically not in Detroit. I'm to the west of it. Like, near where Mitt Romney lives. Obviously not with Mitt Romney, but yeah. I just wanted to share a little bit of a story, from today. I was taking my boss to the airport because he's going on a trip. And on the way there, we saw many cars spun out, like 15. It was crazy. I just kept thinking, like, where the hell are they going? Probably the airport, which is where I was going. But, yeah, it was pretty crazy. And so I dropped him off and heading back here in his car. It has nice snow tires and shit, so it was good. But hit a blizzard. Couldn't see but 10 feet in front of me. It was crazy. So, yeah. Crazy, huh? So I'm going to teach you a Japanese word that I hope is correct. Isn't that right? Guacamole. Alright. Fubuki. Blizzard or snowstorm. Fubuki wa maru ishukan arekurutta. Arekuru is to rage. To rage like a storm. So, Fubuki wa arekurutta. Fubuki wa arekurutta. Arekurutta. さあ、新しい表現じゃなくて、でも、新しい言葉習ったな。さあ、若森、よろしくていいってね。Or suddenly be quiet yet again. I think she wants to fly. 飛びたいな。来てないな。But yeah, there you go. Just wanted to make a quick video there. Nothing really going on. I'm going to be making one of my series videos today. Got that planned. You probably can't see me because it's black. I'm going to be making one of those videos today. That's my goal because I'm kind of... It's not snowed in. I could probably go somewhere, but I ain't going out in that. Maybe later tonight there's a UFC that I really want to watch, but because it's on free Fox, but I don't have cable. I know I'm one of those people. So yeah. Figure out something. But, yeah. Until then, guys, party on. Say party on, guacamole.